Hello students. In our third chapter we have already seen about what do you mean by website and why we are using website. Now we have to create a simple website like this. Can you see? I have made a website. The name of the website is School Plaza. It means what? I have already created a website for school and my website name is School Plaza. Can you see it? School Plaza. Name of the website is School Plaza. My whole website is made in table. I have created a website and uh, I have created it by using a table. So my whole website is based on table. Now can you see categories of my website? School bags, water bottle, lunch box, compass box and stationery. Can you see categories of my website is in a blue color, and whenever you are clicking your I am clicking my categories, then mouse cursor is changed and it convert into a hand symbol. Can you see it? Because of hyperlink. I have applied hyperlink to my categories. School bags. Whenever I am clicking my school bags, you can see the products of school bags. Whenever I am clicking water bottles, the water bottles, can you see water bottles, images of water bottles. Now I am clicking lunchbox, so lunchbox page will display. When I am clicking compass box images display. Stationery, you can see stationery, because I have given a hyperlink to all my pages. That's why whenever I am clicking particular page, the page will be displayed and you can see the different products. So you have to create a website like this. Got it? I have created my website by using a table. I have created my website in Composer, and uh, I am running my website in browser, which is the name of browser is Google Chrome, and the name of website is School Plaza. This is the image of the my website, and there are different categories of my website. That is school bags, second is water bottle, third is lunch box, fourth is compass box, and fifth is stationery. So you have to create a website like this for school, and you have to create the web pages, 5 different pages. How many web pages? 5 different pages. In your first chapter you have already created a registration form, but you have created only one page. In this website we have to create 5 different pages. How many pages? 5 pages. It is a very simple. You have to create only one page and then copy paste all the pages. You have to create only one page. The first page of our website is known as home page. The first page of the website is known as home page, and then you have to create these 5 different pages. Simply copy and paste. You have to copy all these images to your pages. School bag, in your school bag page you have to display images of school bag. In water bottle pages, can you see the title bar of my website? Whenever I am clicking school bags, the title bar, can you see schoolbags.html? It means I have already created a page which name is schoolbag.html. Whenever I am clicking water bottle, can you see the name of my web page is waterbottle.html. Waterbottle.html. Whenever I am clicking lunchbox, can you see the title is lunchbox.html. The name of the page is lunchbox. So now you can understand easily that I have already created 5 different web pages. Compass box, can you see title bar compass.html? The name of the page is compass box. And stationery, can you see title bar stationery.html, and the name of the page is stationery.html. Now you have to create a website like this. I am explaining you how to create a website in Composer. So open your Composer Now you have to design only in your third chapter. You have to only design. There is no need to write any programming to splits and source. It means you have to create a very basic website, and you have to design. You have to only design your website. There is no need to do anything. So you have to only design your website. So first of all, you have to create a page like this. Now how to create a page, I will explain you how to create it. So first of all, create a new file. Go to file menu, select new, a blank document, create. First of all, you have to create. I have already created your website, and now I am showing you how to create a website. How to create a website? First of all, you have to create a website. In this website, you have to create a title, School Plaza. How to create it? First of all, you have to insert a table. Insert whatever thing you want to insert. All things uh, is uh, is available inside insert menu. So go to insert menu, select table option. Now it is known as row and it is known as column. Sleeping line, it means row. Sleeping lines means what? Sleeping means it is a row and it is a column. Can you see? 1 into 6, it means 1 row 6 column. How many columns? 6 column. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 column and only 1 row. 2 into 6, it means first row, second row and 6 column. 3 into 6, 3 row 6 column. 4 into 6, 4 row 6 column. 3 into 3, it means 3 row 3 column. First is row, second is column. 3 into 3, first 3 is row and second 3 is for column. 3 into 5, it means 3 row, first, second and third. 3 row and 5 column. 1 2 3 4 5. Clear rows and columns. Now you have to create only 1 row 1 column. That's why you have to select 1 into 1. You have to create a website, and please follow my steps. You can create it easily. You can create in your own way, but I am telling you how to create a simple website step by step. That's why follow my steps. You have to select first of all 1 by 1 cell. Okay, can you see? 1 cell, 1 row, 1 column. Now simply drag your cell and increase height and width. I am increasing its width. Now increase its height. Now you have to insert another table. First of all, you have to insert one table, that is 1 row and 1 column. Now you have to insert another table. Insert table, another table. Now you have to insert a table for 1 by 2. For 1 by 2, it means 1 row 2 column. Why 1 by 2? We have to create a table for 1 row 2 column. Why 1 row and 2 column? Because in first column you have to create a name. You have to write a name of the website. I am writing School Plaza. School Plaza. And in your second cell you have to insert an image. In your second cell you have to insert image. Now School Plaza, if you want to apply formatting to your School Plaza title, then you can apply. For example, I am selecting bold. If you want to apply a italic, underline, this is alignment, left, center, right, I am applying center. If you want to increase your font size, then select large A, big A. If you want to decrease your size, then select small a. If you want to apply background color, then you can choose. If you want to change text color, then choose text color, and if you want to change background color, then choose color for background. I don't want to apply background color. If you want to apply, then you can select it. Now in this cell you have to insert a image. If you want to increase or decrease your cell size, then simply press spacebar key or backspace key. Which key? Backspace key or spacebar key. Mind well, in your website designing is most important. If your website have good design, then website is good. If your website have good design, your first step is designing. Your website should be designed properly, so you have to take care of it, each and everything. If you want to insert image, then you have to increase or decrease your cell size. For it, for increase and decrease your cell size, you have to press spacebar key or backspace key. If you want to insert image, then go to insert menu, apply image. Now whenever you are clicking image option, image properties dialog box will appear, will display. Now image location, you have to choose your image, whatever image you want to insert, you can insert. For example, in desktop I am applying image. I want to insert this image, so simply select and open. Now can you see tooltip? Inside tooltip, can you see alternate text? Alternate text, it means what? You have to insert alternate text. Alternate text, you have to write alternate text, otherwise image, you can't see image in your cell. So alternate text, whatever name you want to write, you can write it in your alternate text. So but it is compulsory to write alternate text. Second is dimension. Dimension, it means what? Your image dimension. In image dimension, can you see actual size? Actual size means the image actual size, and custom size, it means your custom size. Whatever height and width you want to apply to your image, you can apply through custom size. In your custom size, first of all, can you see actual size? When I am clicking actual size, custom size is disabled. Whenever I am clicking custom size, your image height and width will display. In height and width, you have to select percentage of cell, not pixel, mind well. Percentage of cell, height and width both, percentage of cell. Now in width, and mind well, when if you want to enter percentage of the image, then you have to enter number between 1 to 100, because percentage is always in between 1 to 100. For example, I am giving width 217% and height is 176%. Okay, can you see error message? The number you enter 217 is outside of the allowed range. Please enter a number between 1 to 100. It means percentage is always between 1 to 100. So you have to write between the value between 1 to 100. I am giving 25, width and height 100 approximate. Apply OK. Can you see image? Now you can increase or decrease your image size, and you have to use spacebar key for image and title of the website. You have to arrange it properly. Mind well, you have to arrange it properly. Now can you say it? School Plaza and image. Our title portion is ready, School Plaza and image. Now I want to write one step for all school necessity. It means what? One step. You want to write any caption, slogan, you can write for your website. I want to write one step for all school necessity. So you can write it apply enter key. One step for all school necessity. If you want to apply formatting to your one step for all school necessity, you can apply it, bold, italic, underline, center. And if you want to apply background color to your table, then simply double click on your table, and can you see whenever you are clicking double click on your table, the table properties will, a dialog box will display on your screen. In table properties dialog box, can you see tables and cells? There are two tabs are available in your table properties. First is table and second is cell. Cell, it means intersection of rows and columns, is known as cell. And table, in table column, can you see background color? If you want to apply background color to your table, you can apply it. If you want to apply cell color of your table, then you can apply through cell and click background color, cell background color. I don't want to apply background color. If you want, then you can do it. Got it? School plaza and image. Our title portion is ready. School plaza and image. Now next, can you see category? I have created my website totally based on table. I have created my whole website based on table. In category portion, can you see I have created 5 pages: school bag, water bottle, lunch box, compass box, stationery. I have created it in table. So we have to create one table. I want to enter my table from here. That's why I am clicking at the position where I want to create my table. Now insert, select table. Now I want to create a table 2 row 2 column. Why 2 row and 2 column? 2 row and 2 column because in first row I want to write categories and new products. First row category and new product, and in second row I want to write all these 5 pages. How can I write it? I will tell you. But in my first row I want to write categories and new products, and in my second row I want to write all these pages. How can I do it? First row, I am writing categories and new product. Can you see? Can you see it? I am writing category and products. Now in category column I want to write first page, that is school bag. Second is water bottle. Write school bags and select enter key. Water bottle, enter key. Third category is lunch box, fourth compass, fifth stationery. Lunch box, compass box, and fifth is stationery. Now I want to apply horizontal line. Can you see horizontal line? It is known as horizontal line. It is can you see school bag is in blue color, that is hyperlink, but I want to apply this horizontal line. How can I apply it? School bags. Now select insert menu and choose horizontal line. Again water bottles, select insert menu, horizontal line. Can you see it? Horizontal line. Again select lunchbox, insert menu, horizontal line. Again compass box, insert horizontal line. Stationery, insert horizontal. So our category portion is complete. School bags, water bottles, lunch box, compass box and stationery. Now new products. In new products we have to create another table. Why? Can you see? I have already insert 6 image. How many image? 6 image. That it is known as, it is a first row and it is a second row. It is the first column, second column and third column. So how many rows and columns you want? 2 rows, 3 columns. How can you say that I want 2 rows and 3 columns? How can you say it? Because can you see first row? Can you see it? First row, second row, first column, second column, third column. So how many rows? First and second, 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. So we have to insert one table which have 2 row, 3 columns. I want to insert my table here in new product. So first of all you have to put your mouse pointer here and then go insert, select table. I want 2 row 3 columns, enter. Can you see? Your table is created, 2 row 3 columns. Now first of all arrange your cell properly. How can you arrange it? Can you see? All my cell is similar size. All 6 cells, first cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell, fifth and sixth, all cells have similar size in all pages. In my all page, all cells have same size. Why? Because I simply created a copy paste to all pages. So you have to create a cell with a similar size. It because your website design, your website have good design, and it is most important to create a website with good design. So you have to create a website with good design and image. You have to simply fix first only one image and then simple copy and paste. I am copying my image, I am copying my image which I have already set in my website. Now I am applying to my website first. Now I want to apply in my second cell, I want to apply in my third cell. Can you see it? Now you have to increase and decrease your cells according to yourself, and mind well, put your image in center alignment. In which alignment? Center alignment. Select center alignment, select center alignment. Now in my fourth cell, paste, fifth cell, paste, sixth cell, paste. Select center alignment. You have to choose center alignment for all pages. Choose center alignment. Now our home page is ready. Now I want to create my first page, that is school bags. I want to create my first page, that is school bag. In school bags page, whenever user clicks school bag page, the images of school bag will display. So you have to put school bags images. Simple. Select this image, go insert menu, select image, select image location. Now one thing, I have already downloaded all the images. Can you see my all the images? I have already downloaded my images. Can you see school bags folder? In my school bags folder, all the school bags images are available. In my water bottle folder, all water bottle images available. I have created a folder and I have keep my all the images related to this folder in my folder. For example, lunchbox. In lunchbox folder, I have download my all lunchbox images and keep inside lunchbox folder. Compass box. Can you see compass box images? Stationery. Can you see all stationery images? So I have already downloaded and make a folder for it, so it will be very easy for me. Open your composer. Now I want to create school bag page. That's why I have to apply school bag images. Go inside, select image location, school bags, desktop. I have created one folder on desktop which name is school bags. Can you see it? Open. I want to put first image this. Open. Alternate text T1. Dimension, there is no need to apply dimension because my image is set already. Can you see? School bag. Second image, similar. You have to select insert image location. I want to put this bag as second image. Okay. Can you see? Third image, insert image. I want to put this image as my third image. Okay. Can you see? You have to simple copy and paste and apply related image to the pages. Insert menu, image location, fourth image. Open. Okay. Can you see my fourth image? Fifth image. Okay. Insert image location, fifth image. Okay. Sixth image insert image location. Open. Okay. Can you see my school bag page is ready? Now you have to save this page and you have to create water bottles, lunch box, compass box, stationery same way. School bag, water bottle, lunch box, compass box, stationery, all pages are similar. Only you have to keep this image, you have to put these images according to your pages and your website will be ready. And apply hyperlink. Now I want to save my page. File, save. This is my first page, that's why I am applying home page. I want to write index page, index title, but my website is I have created my website already, and index I have already given index name. So now I am giving I1, which name? I1. Apply. Okay. Now I1.html. My home page is I1.html because index.html I have already given to my website name index.html. Got it? Now I want to create school bags, water bottle, lunch box, compass box, stationery. School bag is ready. Now I want to create water bottle. So save as. Second page, that is water bottle. I have already created water bottle page, that's why I am giving water B, because I have already given, can you see, water bottle.html, that's why I am giving water B.html. Save. Now my third page, that is lunchbox, file, save as. You have to create 5 pages like this way. Apply third page, so you have to write lunchbox. I have already created lunchbox page, that's why I am giving lunchb.html. Save. Fourth page, that is compass box, file, save as. I have already created compass box, that's why I am giving compassb.html. Save. And our fifth page name is stationery. So go again, file menu, save as, stationery. Stationery, I have already given stationery, so I am giving stationery 1. You have to give name according to your pages, but I have already created it, that's why I am changing my name, I am changing my page name. Now we have created these pages. Can you see all the pages? Water bottle, that is water B, lunchbox, that is lunch B, compass B, stationery. Now I want to open all these pages in my composer. File, open file. Now you have to search your file. I want to open water bottle, that is water B. Water B. And you see water B, water B.html. Open. Can you see I1? Why I1? Because we have created copies of I1. That's why that's why the name of your page is I1. Now simply change your name of the page. Go to source tab and change your title. Can you see title I1? So give water B.html. Control S. Can you see the name of the page? Water B. Now open for lunchbox page. File, open file, lunchbox, lunch B. Can you see lunchb.html? Open. The name of your page, that is I1. Again go to source and change your title. In all pages you have to change the title, because we have created copy from I1 page. That's why all 5 pages have the name have the name I1. You have to change it. Lunch B.html, your title of the page and your title and your page name, you have to apply similar name. It's good for you. There is no need, but it's good for you. Can you see lunch B.html? Again file, open file. Fourth page, that is compass box, compass B. Can you see compass B? Open. Again I1. Can you see? Now you have to change from source menu. And last page, that is stationery. Again file, open file and stationery. We have created stationery 1. Again I1. Can you see? You have to change its name. Change to title bar. Now in water B.html page, you have to keep water bottle images. How? Select this image, select insert, image location, water bottles. I have already created a folder for water bottle. I want to apply this image. Open. Mindware alternative text you have to write. Okay. Can you see my image? Water bottle. So in water bottle page you have to apply water bottle images. In lunchbox page you have to apply lunchbox images. Select, insert, image, image location માં lunchbox. I have already downloaded my all images and created one folder and created the folder according to it. Lunchbox. Select, open. Okay, can you see? And in stationery page you have to put images according to stationery. So your all 5 web pages is ready. Now apply hyperlink. How to apply hyperlink? You have to give hyperlink to all your pages. First of all, select school bags, only school bags. Then select insert. You can select link or Ctrl+L. Link properties dialog box will be open. Now in school bags page we have to give hyperlink to schoolbags.html. Which page? School bag. I have already created schoolbags.html page. Schoolbags.html. Select schoolbags.html, open. Okay, can you see hyperlink? Your text is converted into blue color and underline with underline. Now in how to apply water bottle hyperlink? Same way, Ctrl+L, link location. For water bottle we have created waterb.html. Okay. For lunchbox same, Ctrl+L, folder lunchbox lunchb.html, open. Okay. For compass box similar way, Ctrl+L, link location, compass B, okay. For stationery same, Ctrl+L, link location, stationery 1, open. Okay, so can you see hyperlink? How to insert hyperlink? In all pages you have to apply hyperlink. We have already applied hyperlink to our home page. Now you have to apply water B page, it means water bottle page, in lunchbox page, in compass box page, and in stationery page. All page you have to apply hyperlink. Clear? You have to apply hyperlink to all pages. Now how to watch your website in browser? You can open any one page because in all page we have apply hyperlink. I am opening water bottle page. Now select school bags, water bottles, lunch box, compass box, stationery. Can you see? It is a very simple and basic website. You have to design only website. There is no need to write any coding, programming inside your website, because in your chapter, in your syllabus, only design. You have to design only your website. It is a very simple and basic website. You can create in another way. You can create in your own way. It's up to you. But you have to create a website, one website similar like this way.